Hey guys, welcome back to another Chop Chop video, and this week I'll be showing you guys how to make potato salad. If it's your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. These are the ingredients we're gonna use today. There's a detailed list in the description below. Alright guys, so first off we're gonna start by getting some veggies. We're gonna get some sweet peppers. So this is a yellow sweet pepper. So just gonna cut a small piece of it. Then we're gonna cut the red, green, and then we're gonna get a piece of red onion. Alright, so we're just gonna give these a quick rinse. Alright. We're gonna give these some small dices. So you can use, we're just using a variety of peppers to get different colors into the salad. Some reggae colors, some rasta colors, this. Alright, just gonna put these in a small container. Alright, now we're gonna cut that small piece of red onion. And so we're just gonna do these into some small dices as well. We're gonna add some cold water on the red onions and let them sit for about 10 minutes in the water, okay? Alright guys, so we're gonna get 2 medium-sized potatoes, and then we're just gonna wash them. If you have your brush, you can brush them off. Alright, so these are the potatoes that are washed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them in half. And then we're just gonna cut them in half again, well, quarter. Yep, so just like that. So I'm not gonna take off the skin of the potatoes yet. When you're finished cooking, that's when we're gonna do that. So we're gonna fill a pot of water halfway. Alright guys, so we're gonna put that pot of water, bring it to a boil. Just turn the fire on high. Then we're gonna add some salt, a good amount. And then we're just gonna bring that to a boil.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so the water is boiling now, so we're just gonna add the potatoes to it. And then we're gonna cook these on medium fire until they're soft, so a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so yep, when the potatoes are soft, like when you can put the fork through it all the way, they're just about done. Alright, so we're just gonna remove them from the fire. Alright, so we're just gonna throw these into a colander and drain them. Just like that. You can just run them onto some cold water real quickly. We're gonna get some ice cold water. Put it in a bowl. Then we're going to immerse those potatoes in the ice cold water to stop them from cooking, just like that. Alright guys, so potatoes in the water. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna peel them off real quickly. So the skin should be coming off real easily. Just gonna peel it. Alright, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna cut these into some small cubes. Not very big, but just some bite-sized potatoes. Alright, so there you have it guys. Alright, so we're just gonna transfer potatoes to a bowl. Alright guys, so we're just gonna drain these onions from the water. Just like that. We're gonna mix the salad now. Alright, so first off, we're gonna start off by getting 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Alright, so we're just gonna add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the potatoes. We're gonna add a little black pepper. We're gonna add a little salt to it. And some smoked paprika. Give these a quick mix, just like that. Alright, so the next step is we're gonna add the onions that were drained, red onions. And you can always add the amount that you like. If you rather less, you add less. Get in all those colors. We're gonna get some sweet corn. You can just get a can of corn and then just drain it. We're just gonna add some of that sweet corn into the mixture. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Alright, so we're just gonna add a little bit of sugar. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of sour cream. We're gonna add a teaspoon of yellow mustard. Just use the regular one. Just add a teaspoon of that. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna mix everything together. Combine them together. If you don't want to mix it too much, just want to make sure everything gets mixed in. So if you don't want to add eggs to it, you can stop here. Alright, yep, so I got a hard-boiled egg here. If you want to learn how to do that, there's a video on the channel. And we're just gonna cut these into some small pieces. So we're just gonna add the chopped eggs to the salad. Alright. And then we're just gonna mix it in. There you have it, guys. Some beautiful potato salad. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed already, send it to a friend and let them subscribe too. Thanks for watching. I'm out.